Garvin Industries part number 54171 TBAR is a 4-inch octagon box that is 2 1/8 inches deep and has 4 half-inch knockouts in the bottom of the box. What's unique about this box is that it is specifically designed to be used in drop ceiling T-bar grid. As you can see, each of the 4 sides of the box has punch-outs or knockouts in the shape of the T-bar grid. So it can fit anywhere along the T-bar channel, straight through, or on a corner, crisscross directly on the T-bar. At the top of the box, there's a tab provision so that it can be mounted with pencil rod or ceiling grid wire mounted to a structural member if you require additional support other than the ceiling grid. This box is not recommended for high voltage. It is primarily used for low voltage applications like security cameras and fire alarm systems. In order to install this box, you simply take a pair of needle nose, channel locks, or dikes and remove the tabs like so. You bend out one square tab, you bend out the other square tab, and then remove the middle knockout, which is rectangular in shape. Now we all know that there are different depths of T-bar grid out in the field depending on the age of the T-bar. In addition to this, you're often going to get different revealed tiles, so you don't know what the finished surface or finished ceiling depth is going to be. In my particular application, just removing this first slug is going to be adequate. However, there are 2 additional slugs if you need to drop the box deeper for a revealed tile. Now I'm going to be installing this along one rail of the T-bar grid, so I simply turn the box completely around and do the same thing. Quickly remove the knockouts. As you can see, now we have a straight shot through for our T-bar channel. So we move it up to the actual open ceiling grid. It'll drop directly on from the top. And it looks like I'm a little bit short. This is deeper, older ceiling grid. Not a problem. I simply take it off, grab my needle nose one more time, remove the next slug, 2 quick turns, and it pops right out. This gives me additional depth, so I put it back up on my ceiling grid, and it drops right down to the proper level. Now as you can see, I can move it anywhere I want to on the ceiling T-bar grid. So for those applications where you have to have a specific location for a security camera or a fire alarm, speaker, strobe, horn, something of that nature, this is a great application for that. Once it's in place, you then can cut out the ceiling tiles on each side and drop them back in place. And again, using the top tab, you can then secure it to a structural member from up above, but you're ready to take any octagon, any device that requires an octagon provision, or be sure and look at our line because we also make an octagon flat cover that converts to a 4 square provision in case you need holes for a 4 square application in a drop ceiling setting. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.